Welcome friends. We are in our The Bouncing Ball project, and in this tutorial we will be learning about adjustments in animation effects. Now this table has been locked and we will be doing the animation with this ball. First of all, we will select this ball and we'll toggle the toggle pin. We'll click and drag this head to 1.5 seconds, and the end position at 1.5 seconds, we want the ball here. So it will create the animation for us, and let's play it. Great. But we don't want this. We want the ball to be at this position at 0.25 second. So we'll do that, and then it will create an effect like this. But we don't want that either, because we want the ball to be in a bouncing manner. So we'll go at somewhere in middle of 0.25 and 0.50 seconds, and we'll raise the position of ball to a little height, and then we'll play it. So the entire animation will go like this. So this is the general form of animation we do in almost every project. But what makes it special is the adjustment in the animation. Let's say we want to add a bouncing adjustment, a bouncing easing effect in our animation. For that, we'll select this top animation from our timeline, which is the animation from 163 pixels to 200 pixels. We will select that one. We'll go to easing, select ease out, and we'll select this bounce option. Now as you can see, we have adjusted this animation, and now we can play, and as you can see, we have got the exact effect as we wanted. Suppose we want this ball to be dropped on the ground. Again, using this toggle pin, and at the end position we want the ball to be dropped out here, and in this top position, in this top property, we again want this bounce, but in the left we don't want that. So we will select these and make it linear, and now you can see the effect. So the overall animation will be just like this. Let's play it again. So this is how we can adjust the animation and add easing effects into Adobe Edge Animate. Thank you.